Hello folks, Chef Curry Flavors here, cooking healthy for you. We are actually going to go French today. We don't believe in the scenario that you have to do Italian or just Asian. We don't believe in that, okay? At Cooking Healthy for You, our show, we basically cook every cuisine, whether it's Mediterranean, Iranian, Arabian, Mediterranean, Italian, European, it doesn't matter. That's the beauty we have. We have the freedom of cooking everywhere. Tonight we're going to go French on chicken cordon bleu. Let's show you some of the ingredients here. We have our eggs, 3 eggs, little whisks. We have our whole wheat flour. We have our breadcrumbs, whole wheat breadcrumbs here. Okay, whole wheat flour. It's all good. And then over here, we have our chili, garlic salt, onion salt. We have our salt, honey, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, avocado oil, Greek yogurt. I mean, can you get any more healthy than this? I mean, boom, we got healthy going on all the way around. And then we have our chicken here, breast, thin breast. And we are going to use roast beef instead of ham. That's where we go a little healthy. And of course, Swiss cheese. We will be back in a minute and we will see you very soon. I mean, chicken cordon bleu becomes basically, what you want to make it. What you want to put around the chicken before you put in your ham or whatever. I like to go Greek yogurt. I have a little honey yogurt recipe. You don't do a lot. Two basically heaping tablespoons. That's all you got. And then you add a little Dijon mustard. There you go. Well, what do we have? Heaping tablespoon of that. You have about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Very good for you. Very nutritious. And honey, which has culture, is very good for you. About a tablespoon of that. And you want to give it a little, you want to give it a little sauce. There you go. Flip it around. Little chili. There you go. And then you're going to go a little garlic salt, and you're going to go a little onion salt. And, you get those things kind of going, you're looking for a little consistency. You could more or less just bring these things across, fold it over. There you go. One moment as we're doing that. You just kind of bring this stuff all forward. That's all right. It's just a little topping because what you're going to do, okay, is you're going to get your pot. Here's your pot. And we're going to sear basically the crust that we have with the flour, egg, breadcrumbs. I'm going to go in that order, and we're just going to sort of fry it just to sear the breading onto it. And, we're more or less just going to get our first one. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful chicken breast. Nice and thin to start with. And we have a second one. If you want, you don't have to do 2. It's fine. And then what you basically take is you take your little mixture of everything you just added in your mixture. You have the this whole mixture that we just put together, which is absolutely beautiful. Here, I'll just show it to you. We just did it. Told you what was in it. And that's sort of like the lining. It's sort of like the inside of the sandwich, the mustard, if you will, the mayonnaise that goes in the sandwich. And you're sitting there like, oh, okay, what do I do next? Well, chicken cordon bleu is a French cuisine. So easy to do. So instead of using ham, we're going to use roast beef. Okay, because roast beef is a lot better for you and more nutritious than ham. So we're going to put that baby in. There we go, just move it around. There we go. And then we will still use the Swiss cheese. Look at that. Look at this. Oh, come on. Come on. Isn't this absolutely beautiful? And then you start saying, well, what do we have to do to tie it together? Well, we could do a few things. We could have little toothpicks. I like to use this little nutcracker thing. You know what I mean? Because I could kill two birds with one stone, and I could just sort of curl this baby up. Right? Curl this baby up. Ooh, 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 look at that. Oh, look at that. I could curl this baby up too. Look at this. Making miracles happen here. Making miracles happen here. Oh, isn't this absolutely beautiful? Chicken Cordon Bleu. We're going French. Look at that. Look at that. How do you kill two birds with one stone? How do you put them, how do you switch it up, put them in a pot, you know, where these guys are going to cook? Well, actually, we're going to fry these babies. So, what we're going to do, we're going to move this little mixture that we had over, and we are going to bring it into the flour. So first, this baby goes into flour, all right? So, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, wow. Move this over. Move this in. Then we go to the egg. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Egg everywhere. Woo. Move it here. Move this out. Move this in. We'll go to the whole wheat breadcrumbs. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. Getting on the sides and everything into the pot. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Well, let's go back to step one. Okay, so we'll take this baby, go into the flour. We can see that. Moving along. Ooh, oh, nice and flat. Shake the flour off. Move this over. Move this in. Everyone can see. We're performers here. We're making miracles happen. Oh, we're making miracles happen during this pandemic. Move this over. Move this back. Move this in. Look at that. Healing people through food. Now we go to the whole wheat flour. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Gonna come right in here. Right in here. Great. We're going to wipe our hands off. Oh yeah, don't worry. We'll be right back in 2 seconds. And we're going to fry this, and we will be back. What you're basically trying to do here is you're trying to sear, you know, the, how you sear. Before you put it into the oven, you want to sort of encapsulate and sear or enclose the breading. Because sometimes when you put it in the oven, it sort of like spreads all over the place or falls off. So we are basically doing this on medium heat. We're going to sort of fry it, I guess, in a way, pan fry it on medium heat until it encapsulates and hardens. Then we're going to flip it, and then we'll put it in the oven on 350 for 40 minutes, 50 minutes. We'll see how it goes from there. In case anyone's wondering, we could put sort of toothpicks to like hold it together, but as you can see, it's holding together pretty well. No need for toothpicks, you know, so, I mean, you just have to go where it is. I have this little nutcracker thing where I encapsulate and hold it together, but it's really not necessary here. So we'll see how this cooks through before you put it in the oven. On a medium flame, sear it on both sides before you put it in the oven. Cooking healthy for you, making miracles happen here every day. I mean, you sort of see it cooking through here. Could flip it. You just see how it encapsulates it when you fry it first before you bake it. That's sort of like what you're looking for. Look at that. Oh wow, that's like beautiful. Get this baby all the way over there. And you just, on medium heat, you don't want to fry it. This is what people do wrong all the time. They fry it. And you don't want to do that. Here, we move that baby over there. And we just, like, I don't know, maybe 7 or 8 minutes on each side on medium heat. It just sort of like encapsulates and holds together. You see how this is like done? The breading, it's not going to fall off. It's like set in there. So that's what you want. And then you put in the oven on 350 for 40, 45, 50 minutes. Everything depends on your oven, how hot it gets. But we're making miracles happen, healing people through food. That's what we do here. See how all the breading stays on? That's what we're all about here. And we will be back. Well, moving right along here, we're going to take our little concoction. There we go. And put it right here. Let's do it like this. Whoa, almost lost that baby. See how we have good reflexes. That's important. Put it in here. Then we're going to put in our oven. There we go. I'm going to cook it. I mean, you could leave it uncovered. I'm not a huge fan of leaving it completely uncovered, so we're going to put a little uncovering on it just because, it's just one of those things, the thing is like, you don't want to uncover it for too long because it's going to cook for 45 minutes. You want to start to burn. So we have it on the grill. We put a little covering on it. Maybe we'll take the covering off in about halfway through the 25, 30 minute range. But it's on 350. It's cooking and we will be back. Hey folks, that's been about 45 minutes. I mean, it depends on your oven. It could be 30 minutes. It could be 50 minutes. It doesn't really matter because we're making miracles happen. You got to trust your instincts. And we are going to pull this out. Okay, let's see how it came out. All right. Wow, look at this. Wow. Oh, my goodness. Wow, look at that. Chicken Cordon Bleu. Whoa. We're going to go lower for this. Look at it. Here we go. Isn't that unbelievable? Unbelievable. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, making miracles happen. Healing people through food. Healing people through food. Look at the breading on that. Chicken Cordon Bleu. We're going to have to cut this baby open in a second just so you can see the inside of it. But this is what we're talking about, folks. It's real simple. Okay? Let's bring this up here. All right. It's, whoa. There you go. It's real simple. Every day, we're healing people through food. This is all about getting motivated, getting pumped, getting energized. We have, the COVID-19 thing out there, but you could do two things. You could lay down to it or you could fight against it. And that's what we're doing here. We're fighting against it, folks. That's right. We're fighting against it. We're healing people through food. We're being healthy. We're being motivated. We're being pumped up. We have this unbelievable chicken Cordon Bleu. We're going to show you it cut open in a second. And it's just, making miracles happen here. That's what it's all about. We love everybody here. So stay with us, stay pumped, and we'll be right back. Oh my goodness, we're healing people through food. I mean, look at how this thing comes out. Let me give you a little close-up. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the inside of that beautiful chicken Cordon Bleu. Roast beef, cheese, it's all on the inside. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? We could even get a close-up there. Absolutely beautiful. Can't argue with that. We're making miracles happen here. Chef Curry flavors. Cooking healthy for you. At Rising Star Enterprise Wellbeing. Have a great day today. Be inspired. Be motivated. just feel inspired. Our best days are ahead of us. Have a wonderful day and even better tomorrow. And we will be cooking tomorrow at 4 a.m. You know we are. Have a wonderful day, wonderful tomorrow. And just know that we are all in this together. So have a wonderful, wonderful day.